Splish splash, I was taking a bath. All about a Saturday night. Yeah, rub-a-dub, just relaxing in the tub, thinking everything was alright. Well, I stepped out the tub, I put my feet on the floor. I wrapped the towel around me and I opened the door. And then splish splash, I jumped back in the bath. Well, how was I to know there was a party going